Hi, I am Arwa Ismail. I'm from Jordan in the Middle East. Not like Michael Jordan. I play piano. I am interested in composing music and recording sound effects for different mediums. So I usually use a Pocket PCM recorder. It's more of a hobby thing, so I have this very humble home studio. This lesson is for week 1 assignment of Introduction to Music Production at Coursera.org. I'll be teaching a typical recording signal flow using the gear in my home studio. The gear I will be using for this demonstration is a Sony FVJ something dynamic microphone with TS cable. It's not that super professional, but it's okay. An M-Audio interface, a small one, a USB cable, a MacBook Pro computer, M-Audio AV40 monitor speakers. PS, I will use this instrument input because I currently don't have an XLR cable or adapter to hook it up with the XLR mic input. Anyway, let's take a quick look over the interface. Here I have one instrument input, and this one has a guitar symbol on it. One microphone XLR input. Behind the 48V phantom power switch on and off, USB output to the computer, 2 line outputs left and right to the monitor speakers, mic gain level knob, instrument gain level knob, output volume knob, headphone output, direct monitor switch on and off, which allows you to listen to the output from your speakers directly before it gets into the computer. Now in my case, I am using the instrument TLS input, so no need to turn the phantom power on. Now what happens inside this audio interface? As we learned earlier, sound propagates through air as longitudinal pressure variations. Now once the pressure variations strike the microphone, which is also defined as input transducer, they will be converted into voltage variations in the wire as an audio signal that will travel in the unbalanced TS cable to the instrument input of my M-Audio interface, which is also considered a microphone preamp that will amplify the signal into a standard operating line level. Now, as this voltage signal is still analog signal, it has to be converted into a digital signal that a computer can understand. And that's what happens inside this interface. So the audio gets sampled or quantized, and it converts the signal from analog to digital. Ones and zeros binary information, and then through the USB cable to our digital audio workstation DAW, which is the software package that allows us to mix and manipulate digital signal sound in a huge variety of ways. Here I am using Logic as an example. I'm going to put it on an audio track, set the I/O, which in my case input 1, instrument 1, and output stereo speakers. Now to listen back to the sound, we will go through the reverse process. The sound comes from the DAW through the USB cable, goes to the digital to analog conversion process, and then through the amplifier, then to the headphone output transducer, or to the monitors that have 2 cables, right and left, hooked to the interface, out again to sound pressure variations in the air that we can hear. So that is my signal flow. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if I missed anything, and that's it. Goodbye.